Are you tired of dealing with endless spams flooding into your forms? Imagine if I could tell you a way with one just simple click you can get rid of all the spams in your forms. Quite interesting, right? So spams is a universal problem. If you go to any forms, you will be finding thousands of people sharing their frustrations and seeking solutions to get rid of all the spams to their forms. After all, it's a waste of time and resources for everyone. So why do spammers actually spam? So spammers actually think submitting link of their website in your forms might end up increasing SEO of their website, might end up getting some new leads, they might get some additional clicks to their website, they might get some additional traffics to their website. That's what they think, but in reality it never works. They use some automated script to spam multiple websites or multiple forms in bulk. But in today's video we will check how you can get rid of all the spams with one just simple click. So let us get started. Head over to FormNX.com and click on this login here. If you don't have an account, just click on try for free and register a new account. After you have registered a new account, just go to the login page and log in with your credential. Once you have logged in, just go to the list of forms, and inside this you can create new forms. You can use some of our pre-made templates to create a new form easily. Once you have created a form, just go inside the form builder and go to the settings of the form builder. Inside this setting, you will find an option for Google reCAPTCHA. Just click on enable Google reCAPTCHA. So Google reCAPTCHA, it's a mechanism by Google trained on millions and millions of data to detect spam, to detect automated messages, and to detect non-human behavior. So let us click on save as form and preview the form. In the preview form, you will be seeing a Google reCAPTCHA here, which will protect your websites from spams. Spammers use automated script, and this automated script will never be able to bypass this I am not a robot by Google reCAPTCHA, because Google reCAPTCHA is trained on millions and millions of data to detect non-human behavior, and based on the behavior it will show different kind of challenges to them which they have to pass in order to submit the form. So that's how you can easily get rid of spams in your website. I hope you find it very useful. Thank you.